Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, what we discussed in the last video, children, what is our lesson name? Yes, our lesson 4. What it is? Big family. Big family. Small family. Big family, small family. This is our lesson name, children. Yes, this is our lesson name. In this big family, small family, what we discussed in the last videos. Just revise once. Yes, we discussed about types of families. What are the types of families here? There are 3 types of families. Nuclear family, joint family, extended family. Yes. What is nuclear family? Nuclear family is a small family. Very few members are living in the nuclear family. Yes, that's why we call it as nuclear family. Yes. Coming to the next one is a joint family. So in nuclear family, who are the members? Mother, father, and their children. Yes. Coming to the joint family, who are there in the joint family? Yes. Along with mother, father, children, who are there? Grandparents also there. Who are grandparents? Parents of your mother or father. Those we can call it as grandparents. Yes, all of you understand, children? Yes. After that, we discussed about extended family. What is extended family? Extended family is nothing but a very big family. Who are the members in the extended family? Yes, your father is there, mother is there, and children are there, grandparents also there. Still, who are there? Yes, uncle, aunt, and their children. We can call them as cousins. Yes, these are the 3 types of families we discussed. Yes, after that, what we discussed? Why these types of families are there? Because of the number of people living, we divided the families into 3 types. Yes, children, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ బట్టి ఎంతమంది అయితే ఉంటారో దాన్ని బట్టి బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఫ్యామిలీస్ని ఎన్ని టైప్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసామమ్మా 3 టైప్స్. ఎందుకని కొన్ని ఫ్యామిలీస్లో తక్కువ మంది, కొన్ని ఫ్యామిలీస్లో కొంచెం ఎక్కువ మంది అలా ఉంటున్నారు? వై? బికాస్ ద పీపుల్ ఇన్ ద ఓల్డెన్ డేస్, ముందు పూర్వం ఎలా ఉండేవారు? ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఓన్లీ దేర్. ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ అంటే along with the parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, all are there in the extended family. Later on what happened? తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది? People are moving for their jobs and for their studies. They are moving to one place to another place. Now the extended family became nuclear family. Yes. So when we will meet the family members all, ఎప్పుడమ్మా అందరూ కలిసి కూర్చుంటారు? ఎస్, ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ డిన్నర్ యూ కెన్ స్పెండ్ యువర్ టైమ్ with your family members, and also at the time of breakfast. Yes, lunch. What about lunch? You can't do your lunch with your family members. Why? Because in that lunch time your parents may be very busy with their work. Yes, they will go to their jobs and for their business. What about you? You will also go to the school, so you can't spend your time with your family members. The whole day you can't spend. Yes, children, very good. What about the remaining family members? When you will meet your all family members, when you will meet, if your family is a nuclear family, then when you will meet your family members, tell me, children. Yes, you will meet your family members on the occasion of birthday parties. Yes, on occasion of birthday party. Yes. Next, on occasion of birthday party, you can spend your time with your extended family members. Not only on birthdays, on weddings, on occasion of weddings also you can spend your time with your extended family members. Yes, birthday parties, weddings, on occasion of weddings, and also on the occasion of festivals. On the occasion of festivals. Yes. On occasion of festivals also you can spend your time with your extended family members. Who are the members in the extended family? Who are the members? Yes, along with your parents, grandparents, and uncle, aunt, cousins. What about you? Yes, all these members we can call them as extended family. On occasion of festivals, we can meet your extended family members. You can celebrate the festivals with your extended families. For example, tell me what are the festivals you will celebrate with your extended family. ఏ ఫెస్టివల్స్ అమ్మా అందరూ కలిపి చేసుకుంటారు ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్తో? ఎస్, దివాలి చిల్డ్రన్, అండ్ పొంగల్, దివాలి, ఎస్, క్రిస్మస్, Ramzan, all these also festivals you can celebrate with your extended family. How you will celebrate? Tell me. Suppose if you want to celebrate your festival Diwali with your extended family, how you will celebrate? Tell me children. What you will do on that occasion? You will go to your grandparents' house. You will go to your grandparents' house. Yes children. Now I will explain you how you will celebrate occasion of Diwali with your extended family. We will discuss about one festival. Okay, I already told you when you will meet all your extended family members on occasion of your birthdays, weddings, get together parties. Yes, and also on the occasion of festivals. What are those festivals? Diwali, Pongal, Christmas, Ramzan, all these are different types of festivals. Yes, so I will explain you how we will celebrate Diwali. Yes, on occasion of Diwali, so you are celebrating the festival with your extended family members. So if you want to celebrate any festival, each and every person should share the work. Yes, who will do the puja here? Maybe your grandmother. Yes children, your grandmother will do the puja. Yes, and your father can buy. Yes, your father will buy. Your father will buy firecrackers, Yes children, your father will buy the firecrackers. Your mother will prepare some sweets. Your mother will prepare sweets. Yes, your uncle and aunt can decorate the house. Yes, what about you? What you will do? You will help them in decoration. Children can here, who will help? Children helps in decoration. Yes children, yes, you will help in decoration. Yes, this is the way to celebrate festival with your extended family. So all the family members will meet together and you will celebrate the festival Diwali. Not only Diwali, you can celebrate Pongal, and on occasion of Pongal, how many days we will celebrate? 3 days. The first day is Bogi. Yes, like that only. On that festival also you can celebrate the festival with your extended family members. Am I right, children? Yes. And now I will show you some pictures regarding Diwali. Yes, children. So like this only we will celebrate the festival. Yes, first of all, here what are they? On occasion of Diwali we will do that Lakshmi Puja. Yes. Can you see, children? Yes. This is that Lakshmi Puja, and down how they are celebrating that crackers. Yes, children, understand? Yes. Next, turn the page. Next, I will just show you another one. What is here? Here some people are celebrating Christmas. They are celebrating Christmas. Yes. This is how they are preparing sweets. Sweets on occasion of a festival. Yes, children? Yes? So this is also another sweet. Yes? Yes. So down, see what they are doing? They are firing the cracks. Celebrating the festival with the firecrackers. Yes. All of you understand, children, how to celebrate the festival and all? Yes. So this is the way to celebrate festival. Not only Diwali. Yes, you can celebrate the festival Pongal also with your extended family members. Am I right? Yes. What about Pongal? Do you have any idea about that festival? Yes. We can celebrate that Pongal festival on 3 days. We can celebrate Pongal festival on 3 days. What are those 3 days? The first day, we will celebrate the Bogi. On that Bogi, what we will do? We will do the fire camp. We will do the fire camp. Yes. And what you will do? You will do what? Flying the kites. On the occasion of Bogi, what we will do? Flying the kites also. Next, second day we will celebrate the Surya Pongal. What is the Surya Pongal? Do you know? Yes, on that occasion we will do the Surya Puja. Yes, we will devote the day to the Surya Dev. Yes. After that, on the third day we will celebrate Kanuma festival. So Pongal any days cheskuntama manam? 3 days cheskuntama leda? Yes. On that day also with your cousins you can celebrate that festival by flying the kites. And on Kanuma day, what you will do? What you will do? On Kanuma, you will play different games, different types of games we can play on occasion of yes, Kanuma festival. So like that you can celebrate with the festivals with your extended family members. Then it will be very, very good and you feel very happy when you are celebrating any festival with all your family members. Only 2-3 members if you are celebrating, it is boring. If you are going to celebrate with all your extended family, it will be very, very nice and good. Why? Because you can share your feelings and you can play with your cousins. Yes, children? Yes. So in this way, you can celebrate the festivals or your birthday parties or on the occasion of your weddings. So you can meet your extended family members. All of you understand, children, about this? Yes? That is about how you can spend your time with your extended family. Though you are not living with your extended family members, you can spend the time with your extended family members. on occasion of your birthday parties, on occasion of your yes, weddings, yes. So you can spend your time with your extended families. Now, children, open your textbooks. Go and bring your textbooks. Go and bring your textbooks, children. Open page number 13. Open page number 13. Yes? Here. Already up to here we finished in the last class. Okay. Now I am going to read from here. Okay. So go and bring your EVS textbook, Look and Learn textbook, part 1. In that, open page number 13. Up to here already we finished. Now I am going to discuss this part. Understanding part. Yes. Have you ever wondered why families are different? Families may be, keep your fingers, children, where I am reading. Families may be of different types due to the number and types of family members in them. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Yes. Earlier, people used to live together with all their extended family members. Then, family members started to move to different places for studies, jobs, and so on. Thus, families became smaller. They could meet their family members during festivals and family get-togethers. Next paragraph. In some families, people prefer to stay with their extended family members. They help one another to earn money and run the family. They may do some job or business together. Next application part. Keep your fingers where I am reading, children. What type of family is yours? What type of family means what type of family yours? Either nuclear, joint or extended family. What type of family is yours? Yes, next. When do all the family members meet? The members of your family may be busy the whole day. They may go out to work. They take their breakfast or dinner together. Now turn the page, children. Page number 14. Page number 14, yes. Here I am reading. Keep your fingers where I am reading. At the time, they can talk to one another. They celebrate birthdays and festivals together. They may go for a trip. Yes. Next. Here see how the family members are eating together. Maybe they can eat their breakfast or they can eat the dinner. Here they are going to a trip. Next. When do all the members of your extended family meet? Members of the extended family meet during family occasions like weddings. They may also meet during festivals, birthdays, the birth of a new member, and so on. So when they will meet all the family members together? Yes, on different occasions. Complete the story of your family. Here you have to write the details of your family. My family is, what you have to write? I will tell you now. My family is. Here what you have to write? If your family is a nuclear family, you can write nuclear family. Yes, children? Next. I am dash years old. How many years? How many years, children? Maybe 7 or 8 years old. Next. So first one is my family is not my family is my name is. Yes, children. So first one is my name is. So what is your name? You have to write. Okay. Here I am writing my name. Okay. Here I am writing my name. You can write your name. So how many years you have? Maybe 7 or 8 years old. Next. I live in a dash family. Dash family. So here you have to write. Here you have to write. If yours is a nuclear family, you can write nuclear family. I will write what type of family is. So my family is a joint family. I am writing here joint family. So what type of family is yours? You can write your family type. We are dash members. Dash members. Dash members in our family. Yes, we are dash members in our family. So how many members? If you are having 6 members, you can write 6. We are 6 members in our family. All of you understand, children, how to fill this one? Yes. Page number 14. Page number 14. You have to fill the details. Okay, here in these blanks. Like this, like that, you have to fill it. First of all, my name is. You have to write your name. After that, I am. How many years you have? 7 or 8. You can write 7 or 8. I live in a joint family. We are. How many members are there in your family? You can write the number there. All of you understand that one? After that, so here you have to picture of my family. You have to paste the picture. Yes, all of you understand, children? Here you have to paste the picture of your family. Up to here, all of you understand? Yes. What is the homework for you? You have to fill this page number 14 in your textbook. Page number 14. Here the details are there now. Yes. If you don't know your details, ask your parents. Your name, your age, what type of family yours. Joint, nuclear and extended. Which one you can write. So after that, number of people who are members. Number of members. We are dash members in our family. Okay, children? All of you understand today's class? Tomorrow I will continue the next one. Okay? Continue the lesson. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.